Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US Dollar GBP USD for 26 March 2021. So this analysis is for 26 March only. You will see me tomorrow again or just before the next week's market so that you get to stay ahead of the market. I bring videos in advance so that you do not need to worry and just you can go with the analysis and take your trades accordingly. Okay, so please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so let's jump to the chart then. Uh, so you can see that the current market price is 1.3704. This is the current market price, and as we all know, market was in a range. Okay, market was in range, and right now market is trading below the previous support. Okay, and as of now there is no such support available or seen on the market. Any good extreme support is not available as of now. Okay, so what should you do then? Okay, I would like to take you to few screenshots. Okay, so see, this is the British Pound US Dollar chart of 1 week. Okay, this is the weekly chart of GBP USD. Okay, in the weekly chart you can see that it has crossed the daily support. Okay, it has crossed the daily support and right now it is trading at 1.3701. Okay, so it has crossed the daily support also, means that it is trading below the daily support. And this is the monthly chart of GBP USD. Okay, in the monthly chart also you can see that it is trading below the daily resistance. Okay, and which was a support, and right now there is no such support in the monthly chart as well as weekly chart as well as daily chart. Okay, so there is not much support on the chart as of now. So one thing is very clear to us that yes, market may go down further and we may get some good and nice opportunities to make money. Okay, so what should we do then? Okay, we need to wait for the market, okay, to go up a little bit, because right now this is after this fall. Okay, this place is not convincing enough to short the market, because market, okay, if market goes up then it will hit our stop loss. Okay, and though stochastic RSI is moving up, okay, though it is going up, but market is not moving up. Okay, therefore let's wait. Okay, let's wait for the market. Okay, so first strategy can be wait for the market to go and hit the 50 moving average. Okay, when market will be going up, then there is a possibility that 50 moving average may act as a resistance. Okay, so if market reverses from 50 moving average, okay, then you can short the market. On the other hand, if market crosses the 50 moving average, then this level 1.3875, okay, 1.3875, this level 1.3875, okay, this level may act as a resistance. Okay, whatever, if market goes up, either 50 moving average or 1.375, this level, okay, will act as a resistance and will provide good resistance to the market. It will not allow the market to go up easily. Okay, so if market reverses from there, okay, you can just short the market. Okay, that is your strategy number one. uh, on the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if you see that stochastic RSI is going up, but the price is not moving, okay, if the price is not moving at all, okay, then just wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, once stochastic RSI hits the overbought zone, okay, then wait for the stochastic RSI to come down. Okay, when stochastic RSI will start coming down, then Just wait for the market to cross this level. Okay. Wait, where did the chart go? From last few days, I'm facing this issue. Okay, I don't know why the chart disappears sometimes for seconds. Anyways, okay, when stochastic RSI will be in the overbought zone and it will start coming down, okay, then you just wait for the price to cross this level. Okay, once market crosses this level, okay, then also you can short the market. Okay, so first is wait for the market to go up and uh, hit the 50 moving average or hit this level 1.3875 level. Okay, once it will it will hit the resistance, reverse from there, you can short the market. And secondly, if you see that market is not going upward, okay, and then wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. And when stochastic RSI will be coming down from the overbought zone, and wait for the market to cross this level. Once the market crosses this level, you can short the market. Okay, so these are the two strategies that you can follow for GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for 26 March 2021. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market, but I'm extremely sorry I do not get time to edit my videos, so my background, my videos may seem a little bit unprofessional, but things are very much genuine and I'm just doing this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. All the best and good luck. And do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.